My name's Paul and I run a catering company which I've been working on now for 10 years and enjoying every minute of it. I had worked for nearly 30 years in the IT sector, but my passion had always been cooking. So I did 2 years of night school and got a City and Guilds in professional catering. I first found out about OxLEP in December and I started looking through the programme, and I went on one of the sales lead generation courses. So one of the things it helped me focus on was how I was promoting myself through my website and social media. The workshop on sales lead generation was really good because there was a mixture of being talked to, but also being challenged and having to work in groups. But sometimes you suddenly get a moment or a flash of inspiration because somebody says, well, have you thought about this? For any small business, the challenge is finding out where there is help. We kind of get a little bit sucked into our day-to-day jobs and forget about that there might be other things out there that could help us. So go and seek it out.